Hey, what's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Moto. Let me show you today how to apply our pre-cut tail lamp tint on this 2024 Subaru Impreza. This will also work on the Crosstrek model. So you want to make sure to clean the surface of the lamp and the surrounding areas so you don't pull any dirt into the installation process. This film is the dark smoke air release, so it is going to be applied completely dry. You will also need a heat source to go over once you're done installing it. A hair dryer on a high setting or a heat gun on a low setting would be fine. We're going to start on the inner one, and we're going to come a little bit past where that white is, and then align this at the bottom. Once you got it on, just go ahead and smooth it down with your fingertip. Then we'll move on to the quarter panel. We start that in the upper left-hand corner. And work that down as well. Now we're going to come in with the heat gun. And on this one, you're going to have to get in that outside corner a little bit with a squeegee. I'm just going to make sure everything is seated. Same thing on this one. Again, that is the dark smoke film. It's also available in light smoke film and a couple other different color combinations. The light smoke and the dark smoke are going to be applied dry like this. If you're choosing the red, that would be applied wet. Same concept, but instead of dry, you just used a spray bottle mixed with water solution and a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and then squeegee it out. If you have any questions, let us know. The link for this product will be in the video description below. Thanks for watching.